The 2025 Land Rover Defender benefits from a new signature interior pack adding climate seats and premium materials. The Defender 130 can be ordered with captain chairs on the second row, while the Defender 110 is available in the Arizona-inspired Sedona Edition. The new D350 diesel powertrain offers more power and torque compared to the D300 it replaces. Land Rover introduced a series of model year updates for the 2025 Defender SUV family, focused on improving its luxury and comfort credentials together with the addition of a more powerful diesel engine. Highlights include a signature interior pack with premium features that's available across the range, a captain chair option for the 130, and a Sedona Special Edition for the 110. The new generation of the iconic Defender has been a sales hit for Land Rover since its debut in 2019. While the SUV has yet to receive a traditional facelift, the 2025 model year updates are quite extensive, bringing it a step closer to the luxurious Range Rover in terms of available features. Starting with the new powertrain, the Defender D350 features a mild hybrid 3.0-liter six-cylinder diesel producing 345 HP, 257 kilowatts, 350 PS and 700 Nm 516 lb-ft of torque, just like in the Range Rover. This represents an increase of 49 HP, 37 kilowatts, 50 PS and 50 nanometers, 37 lb-ft compared to the D300 it replaces, which according to Land Rover results in more effortless overtaking and towing. The 2025 Land Rover Defender has a simplified lineup comprising the S, X Dynamic SE, X Dynamic House, X, and V8 trims, available for all three body style flavors 90, 110, and 130. The exterior is carried over, as the updates were focused inside the cabin. However, there is a Defender 110 Sedona Edition that will be offered only for 1 year with a fresh spec inspired by the Arizona desert. The Sedona red exterior shade is combined with unique decals on the hood, 22-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, and the extended black pack for the exterior. Moving inside, the new signature interior pack is optional in the Dynamic House, but standard on the Defender X, V8, and Sedona Edition. It brings climate seats for both rows featuring redesigned winged headrests. The front seats are 14-way electrically adjustable with memory functions, while the third row in the Defender 130 is heated. The Windsor leather and Kvadrat upholstery is combined with ultra fabrics, suede cloth headlining, and darker interior accents improving the premium feel of the cabin. Land Rover designers also added new pockets on both sides the center console, allowing the driver and the front passenger to store small items. For the Defender 130, the signature interior pack can be combined with the captain chairs pack, transforming it from an 8-seater to a 7-seater. The two individual seats on the second row with heating and cooling functions improve comfort for longer journeys. At the same time, the aisle between them allows easier access to the third row seats at the back. US buyers benefit from less upgrades than those in Europe, the UK, and Australia, since the diesel powertrain option and the signature interior pack are not available in North America. However, the US-spec Defender does get the simplified lineup, the bundled options, and the captain chairs pack for the Defender 130. The 2025 Land Rover Defender is already available to order in the UK, Europe, and Australian markets, and will soon reach North American shores. Later this year, the Defender will gain a new V8-powered off-road focused flagship bearing the Octa moniker.